As the Sinhala and Tamil New Year approaches, let us delve into the rich tapestry of traditions and rituals that define this auspicious occasion.
The New Year rituals are created and marked by specific activities performed at auspicious times, directions, and colors, each with its significance and importance.
First, we have the rituals of the old year, where all activities of the past are considered gone, paving the way for a fresh start.
Then comes the interim period, the non-negative, a time of transition where people refrain from serious activities and engage solely in religious pursuits.
Preparing food is a prominent element, with symbolic rituals like boiling milk in a newly earthen pot symbolizing prosperity.
Commencement of work, exchanging greetings and offering betel leaves symbolize the beginning of a new cycle and strengthening of relationships.
Visiting relatives and neighbors with gifts and sweetmeats fosters a sense of community and goodwill.
Applying oil on the head, bathing, symbolizes the purification for the coming year, ensuring a fresh start. The Sinhala and Tamil New Year is not just a celebration. It's a time-honored tradition that embodies renewal, purification, and the spirit of togetherness. So CCBE, us, we wish you a very happy and prosperous Sinhala and Hindu New Year.